Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by opening messages and signing in so your conversations sync. Enter your phone number or Apple/Google ID, then verify with the code sent to you. Once done, allow access to contacts and notifications so names and alerts appear correctly. Make sure to enable sync if you want messages on multiple devices. This quick setup makes later steps seamless. It's the foundation so messages, attachments, and message history stay organized across devices. Start a conversation by tapping New Message and adding recipients. Use group names for clarity. Type or use dictation, tap the camera to add photos, and attach files from files or photos. Use inline replies or long press a bubble for reactions to keep context. Organize by pinning important threads, swiping to archive or delete, and using search to find keywords or attachments. These management tools let you control clutter and prioritize conversations without losing critical context. Finish by adjusting advanced settings, customize per thread notifications, block unwanted contacts, and enable Do Not Disturb for focused periods. Activate backup and message sync in account settings so history is recoverable. Once configured, test sending a message and confirm delivery status. If you hit issues, restart the app, confirm network connectivity, and re-sign into your account. If still failing, reset message settings or toggle sync. This final check ensures reliability and a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.